Hello and welcome to a Tech Radaries video discussing the recent change Microsoft is implementing in OneNote as soon as April 2021. For those of you who don't know OneNote, it's a productivity tool included with Microsoft 365, an ideal tool for taking notes and collaborating with colleagues. It's a valuable tool, not just to individuals, but also small businesses who need to get organized and get things done. /n Recently, hackers have been using OneNote to deliver malicious software, or malware, en masse, so in response Microsoft is adding extra protection to OneNote. According to an article by Bleeping Computer, a notification will be displayed when users attempt to open or download a high-risk file. This detection feature should be live by the end of April this year. /n So why are these hackers using OneNote to deliver malicious software? It all comes down to the alternative attack vectors hackers have been exploiting after Microsoft blocked Excel from running macros in files downloaded from the internet. A popular method has been the distribution of OneNote files with malicious attachments, which can be manipulated to download and run malicious files hosted on third parties. Often, hackers make the file look protected by creating a blurred out image with a huge click here to view button overlaid on it. /n The nature of these malicious files has been brought to light by cybersecurity experts, and now Microsoft is responding with heightened protection for OneNote. The extra protection will alert Microsoft users to their presence and make sure the user is aware of their security risks. /n Ultimately, this heightened protection of OneNote is Microsoft's response to the changing world of cybersecurity threats, and the extra security will no doubt make sure OneNote users are armed with the information they need to protect themselves. It also reiterates Microsoft's commitment to providing customers with the best possible experience, and thus becoming the best small business software. /n To stay updated on the latest news, sign up to the Tech Radar Pro newsletter and follow Tech Radaries on social media to get the latest news and features to succeed in the tech world. Stay safe out there.